ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm going to be doing a total product overview of the LG CordZero cordless vacuum cleaner. It is a lightweight cordless stick vacuum with powerful suction for hardwood floors, tile, carpet, and furniture. It comes with 2 batteries for up to 100 minutes of runtime and includes a charging station and stand to charge the vacuum and store the second battery, and then comes with all these like really cool swappable heads. So this is my mom's, and she's had it for about a year now and got it for 3 different reasons. First, she needed a vacuum that would work on all different types of floors. So she's got hardwood floors, she's got carpet, tile, concrete, rugs, and so what she was really looking for was like versatility. The second thing that she got, or the second reason that she got this, was because she needed something that was powerful enough to pull up all the small dog hair that gets embedded and stuck in carpet and the furniture. And the third reason is because her house is huge. So she needed a vacuum that had a long enough runtime for it to vacuum the entire house in one go, but that was also cordless. It didn't have to be plugged in every time she gets to a new spot in her house. So if you're looking for a vacuum for any of the same reasons, it's worth watching this till the end. What we'll go over first is the swappable head, starting with the workhorse head, or what LG calls the power floor carpet nozzle. Basically, you use this for like 95% of your cleaning. So this works for hardwood floors, carpet, tiles, concrete, rugs, etc. Next, you have the power punch nozzle, which uncovers and vacuums hidden dust and pulls out pet hair from furniture. Look how well it works. Then you have the crevice nozzle, and this is great for like picking up fine debris in corners or hard to reach areas. And then you've got this last brush, which is a 2-in-1 brush. It's simply pressing this button retracts back the brush head and reveals like a scraper head to remove like crusties on floors and surfaces. And then the brush head is good for removing actual dust from dusty surfaces and furniture. A couple fun and neat features about this is that it has this second battery compartment in the stand that charges the battery, and then when mounting the vacuum onto the stand, it begins to charge the battery within the vacuum as well. So it's like a dual charging feature. Then you've got the telescopic wand. So just by pressing on this button, you can extend or retract it to work in harder to reach areas or closer areas that are still far enough away that using just like a swappable head with a cyclone wouldn't work, but it makes it more convenient to like basically reach any kind of range that you need to be cleaning or vacuuming. And then side note, my mom and I also love retracting the wand into what we call kid mode so that we can have my oldest son do chores around the house. That's nice. But the thing that's most great about it is that it's got a super long runtime, thanks to the second battery. So each battery gets around 45 to 50 minutes of runtime, depending on how much of the turbo boost mode that you use. But what it does is it allows my mom to clean her entire house in one session, which is huge. Because still to this day, I don't think there are a lot of like vacuums on the market with that long of a runtime, up to 100 minutes or more. And so what's great is that she can clean all of the upstairs and all of the downstairs with different floors and different types of flooring, but do so in, like I said, in one session. And then charging it is pretty cool too. So as long as you have the stand plugged in, you simply mount the vacuum on the stand and the little plug will insert right into the vacuum through the stand and begin charging it. And then when you've done it correctly, you know, because there are 2 different display lights that blink. There's one on the cyclone, and then there's another one on the actual stand. And then in my opinion, the neatest feature of all is the turbo mode, which is found on the handle of the cyclone. So I like to use this when pulling up all of the dog hair from the furniture, or when trying to pick up like food scraps or heavy debris that otherwise isn't being picked up off the ground. And you simply just press this button right here, it goes into turbo mode, and then can begin picking up all that more difficult stuff. And then going on to emptying the dustbin, it's actually pretty simple. My mom is helping me demonstrate this, and she didn't do the greatest job at showing this, but there's a very simple notch and button, and you press it, and then once it releases the lid, you simply pat it on the side, and most of the dust will actually just come out without issues. And if you need to, you can also do what my mom did, which is stick your hand up there and grab all the pesky, dusty hairballs and stuff and dump it into the trash. And then after you're done, you simply close the lid until you hear a click sound, and then you're good to go. And then the last great feature is it has washable and reusable filters. So you can go probably, my mom said she goes about 15 to 20 uses before she likes to like wash out the filter. And how you do it is you simply take this little part right here, you turn it counterclockwise, and then you pull it out and it'll reveal the filter. You just take that filter, you run it under water, you let it air dry, and then once it's all done, you just stick it back in place, turn it clockwise, locks into place, and then you're good to start using it again. So yeah, the thing is fantastic. It works on all of my mom's different floors. It's got a really, really long runtime. And then that turbo boost mode is fantastic for picking up all of the pet hair from the furniture. So if it isn't obvious now, this thing picks up like fine debris without issues. It works great on carpet, hardwood floors, and tile. It takes like 4 hours to charge both batteries. And then, like I just said, the filters are washable and reusable. So you don't have to buy extra filters, which saves money and time and hassle and all that other stuff. It's sleek in design, it's really simple to use, it's versatile in function, and then powerful and effective enough that it can actually vacuum my mom's entire house in one session, do it correctly, and do so with like an empty dustbin. So yeah, it's great. I think especially for that turbo boost mode and snatching up all like the pet hair that's embedded in the furniture. So anyways, that's my product overview of the LG CordZero cordless vacuum cleaner. And if you've gotten this far in the video and found it in any way helpful or informative, even if you end up going with another product, I'd really appreciate just a simple thumbs up or a heart on the video. Thanks.